electricity insect. I don't know the name of the insect, but I think this one is making a loud noise. Everybody, how are you all? So today is a weekend and we just plan to go for a day hike, and we are just day hiking to Tarevir, which is a popular hiking spot. Just right down is Jogdo, so we just crossed that town and we're struggling to climb up. She's so excited because not just see but
after a long time we are
after a long time
coming for
yes, we
hike.
are out finally, and it's really sunny, so we are sweating. Okay, so right now the weather is cool, but just before it was really sunny and it was really hot. I think she's enjoying a lot today.
Yes, of course.
Because she was doing a meditation for a long time in the room, and now she has become an enlightenment just like Buddha. Whoa. And she is out here to just spread her knowledge, you know, starting from the jungle and to the world finally. Yes. So we have also brought some things, okay, and we'll be just mixing up everything and having for our snack. So if you guys keep watching until the end, then you'll come to know what we have inside our small backpack, and we're gonna enjoy, we're gonna party, right?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Very much excited.
How do you feel now?
Yeah, I'm feeling good and
refreshing.
very happy.
Happy, refreshing.
Yes.
Good to go for a day hike. Maybe once or twice a week. It's really good for our health, and this is how we, you know, find ourselves in a recreation. Just love this jungle. I'm in love. Very difficult to climb up. Okay guys, so finally we are climbing up
a mountain.
Yes. Ooh, finally.
Oh.
So we are coming across another mountain, and it's tougher than the earlier one, I think. And let's see if she make it, we make it or not. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Ouch, ouch, ouch. 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 Yeah, almost. Oh, yeah.
We made it.
Yes.
You wanna go? Huh?
Okay guys, so I think this is the insect. I don't know the name of the insect, but I think this one is making a loud noise. Oh. Monkey be like.
What are you doing?
Oh.
What?
Tolong sana nih. Jangan jangan. Salam, Sob. Wow, it's really cool right now.
Finally, we are top of the hill.
Ah. And finally heading toward Tunica.
And we are searching Simali. Never do that.
Whoa, Kathmandu Valley. Beautiful valley. We found tap water and just refreshing ourselves. How is the water? Cold? Refreshing?
Yes.
I just took a hair bath. So we are finally starving and we have stopped here for some snack, and we're gonna prepare everything by ourselves, and we have got all the items ready here, so we just need to mix everything and start having. So what we have here: noodles, bhujia. So we are going to prepare chatpati. Sorry now, bagus ya. Peanuts. Unfortunately, we forgot the onions.
आजकलको चाउचाउ नै दुई मुठी
Lemon.
प्याज भएन के
Don't throw the waste is outside, just take it back.
नुन
Yeah. Tasting powder. Oil. Salt.
ओखो
Let's take a not so bad. So guys, finally we are done with chatpati. Now we are going to do chatpati, serpati. I think it's going to rain very soon, so we need to rush. So guys, backpack ready. So we made a 360 hike today, and we are descending through this trail just right down to Chunkale and back to our room. These guys, if you are hiking anywhere or trekking anywhere, please, it's not good. Let's keep the environment clean. So take back your wastes, your plastic bottles, your plastics or anything that you just take with you. Just get them, back to the same place where you started from. So it's really good actually. So here we can see the view. Okay, so we are descending down and it's about to rain, I guess so. Hey, calm down. Hmm?